What's unique about Aquameta is they invented, or they took this idea of datafication and took the idea of putting data in a database and made it universal. So all the data that controls your software is in the database. All the data that runs your business is in the database. All the data that controls which users can access which part of your system is in the database. So as a database person, this is like nirvana, right? Because all you need to do is teach someone how to use data in a database, and they can manage all of what used to be very complex in a single way. It's very exciting.
Hi, my name is Eric Hansen. I'm CEO and founder of Aquameta, and this is our story. Remember a world before the internet and after the internet now, and I've seen how much it's changed. You know, lots of people are like that, but our generation is the only generation that remembers both sides of the divide.
So I think Eric Hansen has a vision. It has to do with the idea of making things uniform, making them simple.
The idea really came out of, necessity. That like if you want the internet to be a platform for decentralized communities forming and working with each other where users own their own stuff and users can customize their own stuff, that's not really technically possible right now. I mean, I guess it's technically possible, but only for uber nerds like myself, right? But I don't have all the ideas, and I couldn't tell you how many times I've heard somebody come up to me and say, Eric, I've got this great idea for an app. I got this idea and it's gonna totally change everything. And oftentimes I'm like, that's a pretty darn good idea. And I start going through the process. All right.
The exciting thing about, as I got to know Eric as a friend and then found out what he did for a living and learned more about Aquameta, then I started to realize that, man, I should actually try to facilitate one of these ideas into reality. And then all of a sudden, all these ideas were not just keeping me up at night, frustrated, because there is the possibility that I could create something that I would like to.
I mean, there's no reason why a business person can't be in control of the way their software supports them. At least that's what Eric thinks, and I agree with him. So Aquameta is all about trying to make that happen.